Now we will take a look at Learning Assessment Objective 7. This learning outcome is concerned with understanding how to manage information relating to assessment. 7.1. In this area, we'll explain the importance of following procedures for the management of information relating to assessment. There needs to be a very clear protocol for the procedures of management of information. You need to recognise policies for management of assessment evidence, such as portfolios, assessment records, observation records, physical evidence, and learner and witness statements. We also need to consider the management of assessment records, and we have to ensure that all of this is in accordance with the relevant data protection. All working information needs to be processed fairly and lawfully and obtained, and we have to make sure that we're using it for specified and lawful purposes. It should be clear to the learners that organisations only keep adequate, relevant, and not excessive information so as to keep accurate information that provides an up-to-date record and is not kept for longer than necessary or longer than legally required. All assessment information should be processed in accordance with the individual's rights and kept secure with the admin team, who all the while provide learners with the opportunity to request to see information that public authorities hold about them. Storage and retrieval of information should be password protected when online, whether it's digital, and under lock and key if it's physically kept. The confidentiality of the data is paramount, and use of technology to share information with relevant parties, i.e. other learners or assessors, employers or colleagues, must abide by the protocol before it's considered, and it must uphold to the standards of data protection and data transfer. Now we will look at section 7.2, and in this we'll explain how feedback and questioning can contribute to the assessment process. Feedback and questioning in essence can help learners improve as they know what they need to do. Feedback covers a wide range of things. It can boost confidence and motivation and encourages learners to develop further. It creates opportunities for clarification, discussion and progression. It identifies further learning opportunities and demonstrates how these can be achieved. All learners need to know how well they are doing and what they have achieved. Feedback should be constructive and emphasise progress rather than failure. Further to this, we will look at questioning. Questioning can clarify knowledge and open pathways. Always ask open questions and give the learners an opportunity to reflect on how well they did and to recognise their own mistakes.